today I am going to make an elegant flower that associates with expressing a particular feeling. It's called the Calla lily, and here are the materials that you need. So first, let's make the stem. I normally just paint the wire for most of my flowers, but Calla lily has a thicker stem, so we are going to cover the wire with the green clay. You can cover it however you like it, but for me the easiest way is to roll a piece of clay in the center of the wire and then spread and roll it outwards or towards the tip of the wire. Use the palm of your hand to roll the clay. And just a reminder, do not cover one end of the wire with the green clay because we are going to put the stem in there. Next, get a yellow clay and wrap it around the tip of the wire which is not covered by a green clay. And then, take a cocktail stick or anything you can use to make a texture on the yellow clay. After that one, pre-bake the stem for 5 minutes. To make the petal, roll a white clay and flatten it. Cut it into heart shape. If you have a heart shape cutter, it would be really helpful and will make your project faster and easier. Otherwise, manually make the heart like I did. Attach the petal with the tip of the heart facing outward, and then take your small ball stylus and use this to push the edge of the petal outward to make a bigger opening. And then, lightly pinch the tip of the petal to make it more pointy. And lastly, completely bake the flower and let them cool. Once they are cooled, you can now arrange them to a miniature wedding bouquet like what I am doing, or simply put them in your miniature vase. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and click subscribe and get notified for new videos. Thank you and have a great day. Bye bye.